Okay, let's be real. I've wasted so much money on AI tools that promised me the world. I've paid for a secret content generator that gave me garbage. I subscribed to a fancy video editor that crashed every single day. I'm talking hundreds of dollars. Just gone. But I've been using a select few tools to generate over $1,000 this month, just on the side. And the craziest part, every single one of them is actually free. I'm not selling you a course. I am just showing you what a friend who already made all the mistakes uses every day. We're ranking the 5 best free AI tools that actually put cash in my pocket, from good to best. Stick around, because the top 3 are the only reason I hit the $1,000 mark. And yes, I'll show you exactly what I made them spit out. Let's go! Coming in at number 5, purely because it's a killer for research, is Perplexity AI. Number 4 is an absolute staple for any freelancer. Canvas Magic Studio. Forget paying a designer for every little thing. Now we're getting into the moneymakers. Our bronze winner at number 3 is Opus Clip. This is an absolute cheat code for content creators. The silver medal goes to Zapier's free plan. This is the tool that moves the money once the other tools create the content. Alright, this is the one. The tool that is doing 80% of the heavy lifting. I am listing them together because they are both free and you should use both. ChatGPT, the free version, and Google, Gemini. Look, stop paying for complicated lockdown software. You have the tech right now to make real, legitimate money with zero investment. I'm living proof I wasted money on the shiny stuff when all I needed was Opus Clip for instant video content, Zapier for automating high-value client tasks, ChatGPT and Gemini to brainstorm, create, and launch my digital product. If you want to start making money with tool number 1, I put all the best high-value prompts I used to create that $375 digital product into a free prompt pack for you. It's totally free. No catch. The link to download, it is in the description below. Go grab the pack, get started with these 5 tools, and let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. If this video saved you from wasting money, save me some time by hitting that like button. And if you want more honest, Zero B's reviews and tutorials on making money with AI, make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.